In this video, you will learn how to move your data to the correct field using the Spatial Sort Loads into Fields tool. The Spatial Sort tool will sort your loads and regions and the data contained in them into the correct fields based on set field boundaries. This provides a powerful tool for getting data organized in the correct place, no matter how it was recorded in your field display. To begin, open SMS. This is a permanent change, and we suggest making a backup before sorting large amounts of data. Ensure all fields have a set field boundary that will be used for sorting. To sort data for all fields in the current project, select Tools, and then select Spatial Sorter, and click Sort Loads into Fields. To sort only specific growers, farms, or fields, right-click on the name in the management tree, and click Sort Loads into Fields. The software will now start sorting your yield information based on its geographic location and set field boundaries. Once complete, the dialog will indicate how many loads were moved. If any load that was sorted contained data with no GPS, those loads will not be sorted and will have to be manually moved. You have now learned how to move your data to the correct field using the Spatial Sort Loads into Fields tool. For more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.